And welcome back. One woman's vision to make a better life for women suffering from drug and alcohol addictions has come true. And News Central's Amber Jones takes a visit to her dream as she takes a look inside the Potter's House.
Dancing as a form of praise and worship is a daily event for the women that live in the Potter's House for Women. This house serves as a group for women that are trading addiction for a relationship with God. And it all got started with one lady's vision.
Started through a jail ministry. I went to the jail and I would see the same girls come in, get out of jail, come back in.
She asked the same question time and time again and came up with the same answers.
Why are you back in here? And they said I had nowhere to go. I just felt like if I could have a house where they could come and I could get them into church, that they would be okay.
Through a partnership with Rock Springs Church, the Potter's House teaches women another way of life.
They're here for 7 months, and during that time it's very strict and intense Bible training.
The Potter's House for Women can serve about 20 women at a time. The idea is to help the women struggling with addictions. The founder, Cherie, says that she hopes this house can put them on the right path.
When I first got here to the Potter's House, I was in a really bad state.
Dusty struggled with a drug addiction and says since she's been at the Potter's House, it's changed her whole outlook on life.
It's really made me feel a lot better about myself. God is restoring my family.
As a mother of 2, Dusty uses the program along with spiritual devotions in order to get her life back on track.
Anytime that there's something going on, you don't even have to say anything. The leaders know, and somebody's going to come to you and they're going to pray with you and they're going to make sure that you're okay.
Different areas of the house are used to focus the women's energy on a belief in God and positive energy.
Obedience to God really works.
A thought that goes along with the original plan for the Potter's House.
The overall mission is to make them become women of God, women of excellence.
Reporting for News Central WGXA, I'm Amber Jones.
And the Potter's House is funded solely on donations for people in the community. And here's how you can help.
We go by donations, so it's $20. And if you're interested in purchasing one, you can email at phw@bellsouth.net. And she can send a book to you.